Antibodies, also called immunoglobulins, are Y-shaped proteins which function to identify and help remove foreign antigens or targets such as viruses and bacteria. Every different antibody recognizes a different specific foreign antigen. They are produced by the immune system. Each antibody consists of 4 polypeptides, 2 heavy chains and 2 light chains joined together to form a Y-shaped molecule. The amino acid sequence of the tips of the Y varies greatly among different antibodies. This variable region, which is composed of 110 to 130 amino acids, gives the antibody its specific instructions for binding an antigen. The variable region includes the ends of the light and heavy chains.
Antibodies bind directly to antigens, coating the surface of the invader in order to prevent pathogens from entering or damaging healthy body cells. Antibodies can also stimulate other parts of the immune system to destroy the pathogens. Antibodies circulate in the bloodstream and can appear anywhere throughout the body. If circulating antibodies come in contact with the target or antigen they will generate to fight, then the antibodies bind to the target. The production of antibodies can be used to explain normal recovery from infection by bacteria or viruses, immunity to contracting the same infection to the same organism, and sensitivity to other microorganisms.
The two arms of the Y end in regions that vary between different antibody molecules. The V regions, these are involved in antigen building, whereas the stem of the Y, or the C region, is less variable, and that is the part that interacts with effector cells. Effector cells are essentially short-lived, activated cells that defend the body in an immune response. Effector B cells, which are plasma cells, secrete antibodies. Immunoglobulins are glycoprotein molecules that bind specifically to one or a few closely related antigens. Each immunoglobulin actually binds to a specific antigenic determinant. Antigen binding by antibodies is the primary function of antibodies and can result in protection of a certain host. The intricate structure of an antibody serves to show how complex the antibody-antigen key and lock system is. The tip of the Y shape is composed of several different amino acids that are individual to certain groupings of antibodies. The variety in the sequence is what allows for certain antibodies to bind to certain antigens, thus allowing for the proper function to take place. The immunoglobulins can be divided into 5 different classes based on differences in the amino acid sequences in the constant region of the heavy chains. All immunoglobulins within a given class will have very similar heavy chain constant regions. The first one is IgG, which are gamma heavy chains. They function as antibodies to protect the surface of the body susceptible to foreign substances. IgM is an Mu heavy chain, and it is the largest body in the human circulatory system. It is the first antibody to appear in response to initial exposure of an antigen. IgA, which is an alpha heavy chain, plays a crucial role in mucosal immunity, which provides protection for an organism's mucous membranes. IgD, which are delta heavy chains, is a transmembrane antigen receptor that functions in blood and mucosal secretions. IgE are epsilon heavy chains that are specific to mammals. IgE is known to be responsible for conveying immunity to various parasites, but recently it has gained attention due to its role in allergic reactions to stimuli such as medicine, food, and bee stings. It is also thought to be a cause of asthma.
IgA antibodies protect the surfaces of the body susceptible to foreign substances. They are located in areas such as the nose, eyes, ears, digestive tract, tears, saliva, and blood. IgA antibodies are also present in breast milk, where they are passed along to babies to help strengthen their immune system. 10 to 15% of antibodies in the body are IgA.
Walking around the universe, hoping I'll catch a cold. But if the virus gets inside of you, the body will fight it. First line of defense is mucus and skin. If microbes survive these barriers, second come macrophages on alert, eating foreign invaders. Immune system is our body's defense that protects us from pathogens. When microbes invade us, our body learns to fight it. Leukocytes circulate the body like police on patrol. They decipher where the virus is hiding. Then the phagocytes are on the road. Virus attack is directed by T cells, recognizing antigen flag that have been marked for destruction, signaling cells for backup. B cells produce antibodies against the virus, send target seeks defenses. T cells destroy invaders that B cells recognize. Immune system is our body's defense that protects us from pathogens. When microbes invade us, our body learns to fight it by identifying enemies and eliminating them. Memory cells keep tabs on them, just in case they come back. 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 Just in case they come back.